Now, I'm an outdoor person, and I love the woods. It just kind of sucks going in by yourself, but I'm bored. It looks like some beat up toys ended up over here too. But there is a path. This is literally across the street. Oh, it's nice and dark in here. Compared to being out in that bright sunlight, I was playing Go, trying to catch some Pokemon or see if I'd get a shiny, but no luck. And this path stays pretty well kept, which is nice. The only thing I gotta watch out is freaking spider webs hit me in the face. Oh, hey, pine cones on this tree. Looks like it's dead, but at least there's pine cones. I'd pluck them off and use them for something. I guess I just didn't get enough sunlight for that one. Some of these pine trees are like dead at the bottom, but like you can see needles on the top where they actually do reach sunlight. And I could have ducked. I'm trying to remember. There's something creepy in here. Oh, hey, look, a tire. Gotta love littering. Not. Gully washer. Oh, friends. Yeah, these woods are bigger than the ones behind my house, which is kind of nice. 'Cause I love woods. Always have. I think I passed it. Where the heck? I know we stuck it somewhere, but now I can't find it. Unless somebody else came down here and took it. But I thought it was right close. There's another tire. It was a part of a dog toy. And we stuck it on a branch when we came through here before. But I have no clue which branch of what tree, because it's been a little while. I don't know if we went past this area or not. Might have. So I'm trying to look on the ground and see if I can see it. I don't see it. Or maybe it is further. Who knows? Huh. Look at this. Looks like it was a drawer, because the knobs are plastic still on it from a piece of furniture. It might have also rotted because it was latex, and I know that rots relatively easily. But yeah, these woods are actually pretty big. Like, I don't even see the other neighborhoods through it like I can with the ones behind my house. So there's a lot more woodsy space back in here for exploration. And yeah, there is some trash. There's a bucket. Yeah, I have no idea where that went. I was hoping it'd still be here. It's got crack and holes in the bottom. Should bring a trash bag and just clean up the trash. But now I'm kind of curious as to how far this goes. And it's peaceful. Even the sounds of cicadas are peaceful. I miss the 7-year ones that came out the other summer. Those were so cool. I actually kind of liked the sound of it. It was like almost sounded like machine humming, but I don't know, just different. A lot of trees down back here too. I like woods that aren't full of freaking prickers. Yeah, I have no clue how much further that goes, but I'm not going to keep going. I just wanted to see if I could find that piece of dog toy, but I'm going to guess that it is gone. Gone for good. I needed to get out of the sun. It definitely feels better in here. Definitely feels better back in here. But I don't want to be too long. I don't want to get ticks and crap. And I already got like a gnat flying around my face, which is not fun either. Like, bro, all the space to fly and you fly right in my face. Chill. Not nice. Rude. Or as in, what was it? Full House. How rude. So yeah, I don't know where we put that toy. But I could probably do some creepy videos down here. At some point. Just have to come up with some stuff because I do have some creepy things at home. And also need to get in that crafty mood to make some more creepy stuff and finish that monster thing that I started. But yeah, double checking to see if I see that broken piece of toy, but I don't. I have some old toys that I could put down here and use something creepy. I have that Aladar head that I found in the woods in the apartments. Maybe the thing broke that it was on. So honestly, I don't remember where I had it sitting. Or was it this one? It might have been this tree. Actually, I think it was. Either this one or the one next to it here. But I know, I remember what it is and I remember what it looked like, I just don't see it. So either it finally rotted away or, like I said, somebody might have snatched it or who knows. But yeah, I don't see it there. I don't see it near this one. Basically, it was the decapitated head of one of those pig dog toys. The oinking ones that pretty much kind of sounds like a burp or a fart, whatever you want to refer to that sound as. It's supposed to be an oink. Let's see. Was it here? I don't see it here. I see that fence thing. I do not see pig dog toy anywhere. Because I know it was on the right side of the path when you come in. But yeah, who knows? Who knows where it ended up? Oh well. It is what it is, I guess. It's gone. And yeah, maybe we can figure something creepy out when the time comes. But yeah, that's it. Little nature walk as a detour from my Pokemon Go walk and getting some fresh air for a change. Ooh, look, hibiscus. It's like it grew wild. And then there's another one next to it. It's like it came from somebody's plant and then just seeded itself out here. Because I'm pretty sure That's not a normal flower. Tennis ball. Almost stepped on it, and I would have slipped probably. But yeah, if I could dig that up, yeah. Because I love hibiscus, and I planted them last year, and they did well, and then they didn't come up. I thought they were supposed to be perennials, but I don't know what happened. Something in the soil must have triggered them not to come up again, which sucks. And then also those little wild daisies, which I think they're adorable. Sometimes pink, sometimes white. But yeah. Alright, so that's it for that, and see you guys in the next one.